As an MFD, you're not just an intermediary, you're a wealth building partner. Tailor your guidance to investor goals and risk profiles. Ready to stand out? Here's your ultimate guide with 9 essential tips for success. Tip 1: Master investor relationships. This business thrives on trust. Encourage confidence, ensuring investors feel secure with their money. Tip 2: Uphold impeccable ethics. Transparency and integrity are your cornerstones, fostering long term partnerships. Tip 3: Adopt an investor centric approach. Prioritize client needs over financial incentives for higher satisfaction. Tip 4: Set smart business objectives. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Plan and track your progress diligently. Tip 5: Spread financial literacy. Simplify complex concepts through seminars and guidance. Tip 6: Focus on SIPs. They're reliable and beneficial for both you and clients. Tip 7: Cultivate patience. Building a network requires time, effort, and resilience. Tip 8: Master networking and prospecting. Engage through events, online platforms, and referrals. Create content to attract new clients. Tip 9: Prioritize post investment client servicing. Regular reviews and rebalancing ensure investments stay on track. Now it's time to take action. Implement these strategies and watch your business flourish. Together, let's embark on this journey to success. Start today and make a difference in the world of mutual funds. Contact Sautaka team today. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get more such content. Goodbye.